Tingnan natin kung ano.
You want spray?
Okay, load guys. Are you all loaded? Take it ready. 14.
Oh my God!
Oh, magaling to. 1 minute na. 1 minute.
English translation
Or
na.
just a drink. Hindi yan ano.
Kailangan ko ng Tagalog.
Okay, what's up? Nagre-recharge tayo yung mga ano natin.
Translator.
Kailangan ng translator.
Hot water. Oo, hindi, pwede.
Ako translator.
Yes, no.
Ha?
May tubig rin
Oo,
ako.
hindi, pwede lang.
Ako translator.
Oo, miss.
Oh, sample. Ta-translate yung sample.
Yes, no, maybe. Only when it's empty.
Oo, hindi. Bahala na. Sasabihin niya.
Not yet, Josh.
Josh, not yet. Because I have to open my mouth.
Anak, mahulog ka na.
I gotta go in.
Okay, ready guys?
Sana yun?
Kulog.
I'm really loading. So whoever is loading.
Mel, ano to, Mel?
Not translate.
Mel!
Nabunot ka na. Oo, si ano raw.
Hindi niya maintindihan yung nagpapalaga.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Mickey, come here. Mickey, no yan.
Not yet, Mickey.
Kuya.
Si ate.
Go.
Please. You need half me your
Hey, you guys.
Pagkain.
Pwede.
English.
Sunod-sunod sa pagkain ah.
Tagalog. 2 words. 1 word.
Bawal yun.
Ay, bawal ba yun?
Bawal yun.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay.
Charade lang eh. Filipino pagkain.
Don't shoot.
Filipino food.
Oo.
Cook food. Hirap naman eh.
Luto lang. Lutong
Is
pagkain.
it cook?
Luto ba? No.
Maraming ingredients. Only fruit. Vegetables.
Alis kayo dyan.
Hindi ko, it's not cooked.
2 minutes. Justin,
Vegetables. Broccoli, hindi pala, Tagalog pala. Ang hirap, okra. Kalabasa.
Sige, salita.
Okra, kalabasa, sitaw, bataw, patani.
Bye. Sige.
Carrots. Pechay. Repolyo. This is pretty hard. Yeah. Green. Yellow. Orange. Orange? No, not yet.
1 minute.
Carrot.
Alisa, excuse me.
Orange.
Alisa.
Tomate.
Hindi ko kamatis eh. Kasi sinabi niya.
Oh, sorry.
Tomate.